Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the blue screen error you're getting with the bad pool header on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a fairly quick and straightforward tutorial, and we're going to jump right into it. So I'd recommend that you guys head over to your start menu and open it up, and then you want to type in System Restore. Best match on Windows 10 should say Create a Restore Point. You want to open that up. So once you have it open, I'd recommend left clicking on the System Restore button right here where it says you can undo system changes by reverting your computer to a previous restore point. Want to select Next, and then I'd recommend selecting the most recently created restore point from this list, and then selecting Next again. Click on Finish, and then please note that once System Restore has been started, it cannot be stopped, and if you're running this in safe mode, it cannot be undone. So once you have closed out of any open programs or applications, I'd recommend clicking on Yes here. Now, if you're unable to get into Windows, or if you're unable to get into System Restore, like you maybe haven't created any restore points yet, I'd recommend downloading the Windows 10 Media Creation utility and booting your computer off of that. There's quite a few different startup repair utilities that are built into that utility, and I would definitely recommend giving it a chance. I will include a link in the description of the video for that. And as long as you have a bootable USB device or a DVD, you should be able to get your computer to boot off of that. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.